Want to change emoji skin color on iPhone? Here's how. Open the Messages app on your iPhone. You can also do this in any app with a keyboard like Safari or Notes. Open a conversation of the person to whom you want to send a customized emoji. Look for the address bar in the conversation view. Tap the smile icon on your keyboard to access the emoji section. Find the emoji you want to change. Tap and hold the emoji until a menu with different color options appears. Select the color you prefer from the menu. Note that you need to set the color individually for each emoji you want to customize. Remember, the color you set will stay for future use without having to select it each time. Acknowledge there's no direct way to set a default skin tone for all emojis at once. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick tips.